welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes, and welcome to a bonus video this weekend. I've had 2 in a row this on last weekend, last Saturday, and today. I'm on a roll. Anyhow, this is going to be just kind of a short video, but I wanted to share with you how I plan for seasonal holiday decor, where I store it, how it comes in the house, kind of how I set it up before I, decide where things are going to be going. Hey, real life, it's a mess in here, okay? When the bins come in, and this isn't even the biggest holiday. Obviously, Christmas, it's like crazy town. But Easter, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 bins plus outside stuff. So, still fairly big. So, it is messy. I've already started working on the front porch. You've already seen that. So some of the stuff has already, gone out and been used, but anyhow, I just kind of thought it might be interesting for you to kind of see a rhythm, to kind of help take some of that pressure and that anxiety and that being overwhelmed, and then also how I store it. You may not be able, to have the space to do it the way I do it, but that's okay. You can get some ideas and then, do as you can in your space. So I'm going to show you where I get it, and then the bins coming out, and then I'm going to show you how I separate everything and then get ready to place it. All right, let's do this. Okay, yes, I know this looks like a crazy mess, but part of the problem is we have so much stuff in here for garage sale and that kind of stuff, and like this is the couch from the family room, and we're going to put this in storage, but my storage is full with stuff for the garage sale. So ideally all this is out, and basically it's just from top to bottom, all over here, all the way up, with all of my storage bins per holiday. And the idea is when everything's cleared out and we go back and we rearrange and we take a look at, make sure everything is in its right spots, I will have like a work table in the middle here. And so I can pull down a bin, go through it. Am I going to use it? You know what I mean? That kind of thing. And then take it in the house. So right here is where all of my Easter is. We've got Halloween, and then he's kind of mixed it up, so we need to fix this a bit. But, we've got all of the fall and Halloween here, and then Easter goes here because that's another big holiday for me. Okay, yes, this is that grass. I want to use that for the entry. So I just kind of need to come through here and just double check, but all of this is Christmas. Christmas is obviously the biggest holiday I decorate for. So, and then, we've got our Valentine stuff, but then we need to get a new place for it. Here's some Halloween. My goal and what I've done before is everything is in its same spot. You know what I mean? Like everything, all of Easter is right here. All of Halloween is however many bins that takes. All of fall is in one spot. And then outdoor Christmas, this typically is all the outdoor Christmas lights and decor and stuff, but he's kind of just put it all up to get it off of the floor. So we'll do this again and have, we'll show you, but this is where I store all of my holiday decor, seasonal decor. So after, when they come in from the garage, from the seasonal decor storage room, it all just kind of comes right here. This is new stuff that I've purchased this year. And then all of the bins for each holiday come in to the dining room, this kind of bar area. And I like it because, so these are all the bins. I think there's some more things that are not in bins out there that I'm gonna have to double check. But this is all the Easter decor I have. And why I like bringing it in here is I can lay it all out on this table, like before it's decorated. So what I tend to do is kind of section off areas. Like I think I'll use, you know, this stuff in family room, dining room. Now, this is a good example. This is what I've started, you know, talking about with the Shop With Me. This is the stuff I have that I know for sure, this is all new stuff, that I'm gonna be using on the front patio. So what I'm gonna do is kind of, this is all front patio. This is the first place I'm gonna be decorating. So this will all be gone. And then I can use the rest of the table for, you know, family room, kitchen, entry, dining, you know what I mean? And that kind of thing. So what I need to do is kind of open these up. I kind of just line them out, kind of look and see inside what is in there, what I want to use for the different areas, what I'm kind of feeling that year. And then I will divide it out. So the first thing I will do will be this front patio section. So next I will show you kind of how I do that. I go through each bin and pick out what I'm gonna use.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
Okay, so I have everything lined out. This is what I do. I put everything out on my dining room table. It's long. I can, you know, divide things out if I want. It just makes it a lot easier. So here are the bins. They're all emptied. This is just Easter eggs up here, so that's separate. So anyhow, I kind of just have like signs in one section, right through here, you know, some cake plates. I think what I'm gonna do is just do a kind of like a bunny feast on the table, like a big bunny picnic type of thing. I think that's my plan for the centerpiece of the for the dining room table. So, you know, having some cakes and some of my fake cakes and muffins and stuff like that, and then a bunch of bunnies, I think will be adorable. So I've got my signs. This is my my friend who used to be my mom's. She used to decorate up really big at Easter. We'd always have Easter at her house. So he continues. The kids love him. They drag him around the house. But I've got the pillows that I've got. You know, like I just put my gnomes together, all my bunnies together, big and small, you know, breakable, not, my little green bunnies, then filler, this kind of stuff, my bench, my little faux veggies, my green grass blankets, just all the fun stuff here. Oh my gosh, I opened up this box. I knew this would happen. I bought this last year after Thanksgiving, after Easter, so we never used it, but they're glow in the dark. I'm gonna have the big kids, my kids and the big kids, do like a nighttime glow in the dark Easter egg hunt. I think that will be super fun. But filler eggs to decorate, wreaths. This is stuff that I already know what I'm gonna do in the entryway. So I kind of put this right here. I have a fun, I think it will take from the front patio and take that vibe in. And then I've got this beautiful piece that my mom got me last year after Easter that I'm gonna use this year. That's from Hobby Lobby. I don't know that they have this anymore. I don't remember seeing that. But they do have the eggs that are kind of like this, and the blue one that I have out front. So again, these are wreaths that I can use around the house. Stuff for my coffee bar, you know, that kind of thing. Just some florals for around. And what I do is like, okay, I know what I have a plan for my entry. Okay, so I'm done with that. I know that my family room is gonna stay pretty neutral, so not a lot. And you know, if I do have, like I do have a couple bunnies that I showed you in my shop with me at home. They're already up on the mantle. You know, maybe adding some of this green, you know, that kind of thing. You know, maybe something like this, or just not in your face type of decor. And then maybe then I've got the big centerpiece here that I'll do. And then, you know, some fun, you know, this fun piece and you know what I mean? And some wreaths and, you know, some fun whimsical pieces here. You know, I'll do in the kitchen and then the powder room and maybe a little bit in the hallway and laundry room just a little bit. So what I do is I just take a room and I come in and I shop my space. I shop everything and you know, I just, okay, this goes with this theme, this goes with this room. And that way it's nothing's ever the same. There's always new, you know what I mean? It might be old stuff that I've used year after year, but it just feels new because, you know, I'm just switching it up and I'm just going with how I feel at that time, in that moment. And I think that is, you know, kind of the most authentic way to decorate. You know, you don't have to do the same thing, you know, every time. I just wanted to mention too, look at these beautiful little tulips. I got these at the Target dollar spot. Each bundle was $3. I love that for spring. You know, this is Easter decor, but like that is Easter, but it could also go for spring. And I'm thinking of switching out the greens from winter with that. So, you know, just think in those kind of terms and have fun with it. You know, I'm thinking I'm gonna add some eggs and cascade down, tie them up into the, you know, just have fun. Just have fun. That is my recommendation, but that is how I do it. It just saves me. I put everything in one space and I just shop the dining room table for whatever room I'm decorating. So it just, for me, it makes it a lot easier. I know what I have, and what I already have a design thought for a space, I know right where to come and get, because I sectioned everything off at a time. So, hope this is helpful. Well, I sure hope I was able to give you some good ideas. I hope I was helpful, and that if you can use some of these ideas in your home, I think that is amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and please like and subscribe and share it out. Maybe somebody, one of your friends or a family member could use, you know, this kind of help or these kind of ideas. So make sure you share me out, and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.